Today I am going to share chicken fajitas sandwich recipe. Butter to 0.5 tablespoon. Allow to melted. Chicken 500 kilograms. Fry until color changes. Salt to taste. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Paprika powder 1 teaspoon. Chili sauce 2 tablespoon. Oregano 1 teaspoon. Soy sauce 2 teaspoon. Stir and mix. Cook 5 minutes. Green, red, yellow bell pepper, 1/4 cup each. Red onion, 1/2 cup. Mix. Cook until well done. Done. Transfer to the bowl. Let it cool. White bread. Ketchup 1 teaspoon. Spread the ketchup. Cook chicken as required. Mozzarella cheese on top. Spread the butter. Grill 1 minute each side. Spread butter as required. Flip. Done. Thanks for watching.